There is nothing worse than stepping on the gas and feeling the engine rev but the car barely moving, or having your transmission slam into gear like it is angry at you. If you're scanning your car and seeing code P2723, your transmission is crying out for help, and you need to listen before it leaves you stranded. This code specifically targets the Pressure Control Solenoid E, indicating it is stuck off or performing poorly. Think of your automatic transmission like a complex hydraulic city. The fluid needs to go to the right place at the right time to engage bands and clutches that change gears, and these solenoids are the electronic gatekeepers. When the powertrain control module says open the gate and solenoid E stays stuck closed or does not react fast enough, the whole system gets confused. That is when you get that dreaded limp mode, where the car refuses to shift out of a low gear, or you experience slipping gears and even overheating. Start your troubleshooting with the basics before you fear the worst. When was the last time you changed your transmission fluid? Dirty, burnt, or contaminated fluid is the #1 killer here. It clogs the tiny screens in the solenoid, making it stick. Check the fluid level and color. If it smells like burnt toast or looks like a dark milkshake, you have found a major clue. Next, look up technical service bulletins for your specific year and model. Manufacturers often know about these glitches and might have a specific software update or fix that saves you hours of guessing. You also need to physically inspect the wiring going to the transmission. Road debris, heat, and vibration can damage the harness connectors, causing a loss of signal. If the wires are visually good and the fluid is fresh, you might be looking at replacing the solenoid itself, or in some cases, the valve body. A multimeter is your best friend here to check for continuity. You're looking for 0 ohms, meaning a clear path for the electricity. Resistance implies a broken path. Do not jump to conclusions and replace the whole transmission or the pump immediately, which is a common misdiagnosis. Often, a simple fluid flush to clean the passages and a new solenoid can bring your ride back to smooth shifting. Take it step by step, verify your voltages, and you'll get back on the road.